Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with Mike from LHPU. Mike, how you doing today?
Fantastic.
Great, well thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, so in this video we're going to be talking about your internship program and the R&D program. So What can you tell me about those?
Yes, I'm very excited about what we're doing with interns and the R&D. LHP Engineering Solutions is a technology company.
Okay.
And we are continually looking to work on the cutting edge of technology and in emerging technologies such as autonomous technologies, electric vehicles, and different disciplines around the automotive space.
Okay.
So we like to bring interns in two areas. One, our summer intern program. Okay. We bring interns and students typically that are in their third year, between their third and fourth year of university in engineering disciplines. Yeah. But then we also, the students that come through our LHPU training programs, we will pull anywhere from 3, 4, maybe 5 out of each class and put together an internship program where they will have the opportunity to learn what they have developed, their learning skills that they've developed during the class to work on R&D programs.
Awesome.
And what that allows is the students can then have an application that they can talk about and learn, but then it also allows them to be in the hiring process. Okay. Because LHP Engineering Solutions uses recruiters to place engineers. So it allows the students to be working on projects while potential jobs can become open. Okay. And then when they're available, they can then be put directly into an interview process or into a role for a hiring manager that's looking for somebody. And it's been quite successful. Okay. So it's a way for us to bring many graduates in throughout the year. For a short period of time, and it's been successful to help us really place jobs. And since we've launched the LHPU training program 7 years ago, we've placed over 90% of the graduates in high-tech controls. Type jobs.
That's incredible. Yeah. So you've mentioned kind of some of the projects that they might be working on, and we actually have some samples of that. So Tell me a little bit about this project.
Right. So what you see is this is a small RC car. We are integrating autonomous technologies onto this car. So it's in vision systems, our LiDAR, our radar, our sonar. And we have a couple R&D projects in the company that are going to be leading to actual products and services that we deliver to the market. So our students take the technologies, they do the testing, they write the code, and they actually do the testing, as you can see, out in the parking lot. Yeah. They'll integrate them onto a vehicle, do the testing and validation and documentation. That really gives us an opportunity to allow the students to apply their learning on an R&D project that will lead to an LHP Engineering Solutions product in the marketplace.
Wow, that is so cool that they get to have their hands on those type of projects, and it really seems like they own those from the very beginning till the very end.
They absolutely do.
Right, so they have a part in every step.
They come in and then they're so excited to get on these projects, and you can see it as they work, and you know, it's a win-win for the students, it's a win-win for the interns, and it's a win for LHP as well.
Yeah, awesome. Well, that program sounds fantastic.